So I bought this hair from Aliexpress. I bought it from the vendor, Well Angel. This is my first time trying out the hair, but this is their deep wave bundles, and I bought it in 22, 24, 26 inch, and I bought a 20-inch frontal. It's supposed to be a 13x4 HD frontal, and it is a true 13x4 HD frontal. This is why I like making my own wigs, because you know when you sometimes buy wigs from companies and they say it's 13x4 but it's only like 4 inches in the middle. No, none of that. In terms of the density, I only used 3 bundles of hair, but look at how full she is. And I'm pretty sure that I didn't even use like all of the 3 bundles. I'm pretty sure I had some track left of the last bundle of hair. So yeah, this is really good for 3 bundles. It was very easy to plug. Honestly, I didn't even do a lot of plugging for this hair. Like it came looking pretty natural. Like the hairline was already pretty natural. In terms of shedding and tangling, guys, when I tell you I'm not getting a lot of shedding from this hair at all, even after washing it, bleaching the knots, plucking, and even like cutting off the lace. I want you guys to come feel it because it's so soft, and yeah, no tangling, minimal shedding. I just love the wave pattern on here. Like I think it's so pretty. Water wave, deep wave, anything wave, honestly, sign fade up. And this girl right here, she's just making me it's giving me butterflies. I have a really good feeling about this hair, and I love it. No complaints whatsoever on the hair. Yeah, I don't want to give it a 5 over 5 because that might be reaching, but right now it's looking like that. Obviously this is my first day wearing the hair. I literally just installed it, so we're gonna see how it holds up. I'll leave all the links below, of course, and also if you want to purchase the wig cap that I used to make my wig, I'll also link that below. I don't think I missed anything, but if you have any questions, make sure to leave them below. If you enjoyed the video, you already know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, thank y'all so much for watching.